Hello everyone, I'm Miss Mikado. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a chenille stick flower bouquet tulips. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Mikado.
First, prepare 4 chenille stick for the petals. Prepare 4 chenille stick for the leaves, 1 floral stem, 1 roll of floral tape, and alcohol glue. The tools you'll need are a ruler and wire cutters. Step 1. Make the petals. Take 1 orange chenille stick. Measure 5.5 centimeters with a ruler. Fold it at the 5.5 centimeters mark. Then measure again with the ruler. About 1 centimeter in length. Fold it 90 degrees to the right, forming an L shape. Then fold it back to the left, clamping the chenille stick behind. Fold the long lower part of the chenille stick upward. Use your right hand to hold the chenille stem in place. Take the long end of the chenille stick. Thread it through the first gap on the left. Pinch it tight with your right hand. Lift the chenille stem upward to the top with your left hand. Then fold it downward along the left edge. Rotate the whole chenille stick half a turn clockwise. Let the long tail of the chenille stick point upward. Thread it again through the first gap on the left. Finally, insert it into the second gap from the left. Then pull the tail of the chenille stem upward. Then take the other end of the chenille stick. Bend and pinch it toward the tail end. The outer side of the petal has no bumps, whereas the inner side of the petal shows the bumps from the starting and ending points of the chenille stick. After that, adjust and smooth out the chenille stem's fuzzy texture. Lastly, fold 1/5 of the bottom of the petal inward at a 90-degree angle. We need to make a total of 4 petals. Step 2. The leaves. Take 2 green chenille stems and fold them in half. Then stack and insert them together vertically. Hold the right chenille stick steady. Twist the left chenille stick twice. Then fold the upper and lower left strands inward. Hold the left chenille stick steady. Fold the top right chenille stick to the left. Fold the bottom right chenille stick to the left. Pinch the folded part and adjust the leaf's texture. Little tip: make sure you fold the leaf in the right direction. If you twist it the wrong way, the end of the leaf will stick up and look a bit awkward. Hold the chenille sticks to centimeters from the end. Choose the longest chenille stick. Bind the other chenille stick around it. Make sure the ends face downward to avoid piercing the floral tape. Adjust the leaf shape. Repeat the above steps to make another leaf. Step 3. Assemble and glue. There are 2 commonly used glues. One is oil-based glue, the other is alcohol-based glue. Choose according to your needs. Before gluing the petals, first ensure the curves of the 2 petals match. On the lower part of the petal, apply glue along the inner edge. This helps prevent glue from spilling out during attachment. Align the edges of the 2 petals. Press the edges together. Wait patiently for 10 seconds. Then continue with the remaining petals. All 4 petals are now assembled. Use a ruler to measure at the petal base. Leave 1.5 centimeter of chenille stick. Trim off the excess neatly. At 1.5 centimeter from the tip of the floral stem, apply glue. Insert the glued part into the center base of the petals. Pinch and rub the pipe cleaner with your fingers. To make it stick to the floral stem, pinch the joint between the stem and the petals tightly. Adjust the petal shape and texture. Bend the petal tips outward into a small arc. Shape them into a look you like. Push the inside of the petals outward with your finger to make the flower look fuller. Stretch the floral tape before use to increase its stickiness. Wrap the tape from the flower base upward to the top. Then wrap downward again until you reach the end of the floral stem at about the 9 centimeters point. Attach the first leaf. Wrap the tape around the twisted part of the leaf. Wrap down about 2 centimeters more. Then attach the second leaf. Continue wrapping to the bottom. Cut the tape and tuck in the end. A chenille stick tulip is now complete. What do you think of the tulips made by me? You can try making tulips in many different colors. I truly think tulips are elegant and beautiful. They make a perfect gift for anyone. If you want to learn more about tulips and their meanings, you can click the link to watch the video. Coming soon, Mikado will launch various tulip bouquet chenille stick craft kits. If you're interested in purchasing, be sure to follow and stay tuned on our page.
Mikado.